In this section, we will familiarize ourselves with the user interface of the linear structural validation application. Now that the component is imported into the simulation application, a simulation initialization dialog box appears. Enter the simulation title. Select Structural under the analysis type. Click OK. The name of the application appears on the top left-hand corner of the application window, next to the 3D compass. The compass is provided in this application to promote easy associativity across different roles on the platform. The user can access any of the granted roles and the associated apps directly from this application through the compass, without having to use the web browser for accessing the platform. Next to the application name is the search bar, which is useful in searching for simulation and other files saved to the platform. The 6 W tags are used to filter the search results by using the 6 tags, namely what, where, who, when, why, and how. The name of the collaborative space to which your simulation files will be saved is shown on the right-hand corner of the simulation window. A different collaborative space can be selected, before setting up the simulation, by clicking on the drop-down arrow next to the collaborative space title. Next to the collaborative space name lies the import option marked by a plus sign. This option can be used to import CAD files in other formats. The linear structural validation application supports a variety of file formats, as shown here. In this video, we will continue with the component already imported in the simulation application from the previous video. The option next to import is Share. This is indicated by the right pointing arrow. It also comprises the Save option, which is used to save the simulation to the desired collaborative space on the platform. Next, we discuss the Simulation Assistant, which provides a step-by-step workflow for the simulation setup, thereby making this application very intuitive to perform simulations. The assistant consists of the simulation setup features, which contain the commands used to set up and run the simulation, and post-process the results. It also contains the shortcut to the Feature Manager and the Diagnostic Viewer, which are described next. The Feature Manager consists of the Model, Scenario and Results tabs. These tabs can be used to edit the model and simulation setup parameters, and to view specific features of the results. The action bar on the bottom of the simulation window groups all the commands used in the simulation setup and post-processing, just like the Assistant, with some additional commands that are not available in the Assistant. The different option tabs in the action bar are shown here. The names of the commands under each tab can be accessed by right-clicking anywhere within the action bar, and selecting the option to display icons and text. Right-click again and select Display Icons Only option, to view the icons without the command names below. Click on the arrow shown here, to unpin the action bar from the graphics window. To pin the action bar back to the graphics window, click on this white arrow. Next, click on the pin icon. This completes the description of the user interface. In the next lesson, we will learn how to set up a simulation of a component in the linear structural validation application, run the simulation, and post-process the results.